16 hours of misery. And she drowned. We got planes too. You're looking ugly as hell.
I'm literally you.
Alright guys, so this is the full tour of my new house in Florida. So as you see, this is right here where we this is where we park our cars, so I'll drive away. Stepped on that rug with my bare feet. Alright, and then we have our trash. A lot of strict rules here, which is like one of the things I really don't like about this place. Other than that, it's a small house compared to what we used to have. Unless you guys zoom out, hold on. Alright, so I just walked through my driveway. We're at like a dead end, pretty much. And this is where we are, the area. And then we have a big tree right there. That's so big, that tree. I don't know why. So this right here is the house. Like I said, it's not too big, but it does the job. And since my sister's going to Florida, and I will be leaving for the military in about 2 weeks. Well, it's actually 2 weeks, 14 days. Then you know, it doesn't really matter. I don't need a big house. And when I come back, it'll just be me, my brother, my mom and dad, and my sister should be at college for probably about 4 years. Just get her bachelor's. All right, so walk into the house. I have a nice rug here. So we walk into the house. We have my bowl of cereal. Then we have the kitchen right here. You have an alarm. Yeah, and we put our keys up here. Ensure. All right, and then close the door here. All right, and we have like a closet right here. So just closet. And then we go over here to our left. We have an air vent. Jeez. All right, and then over here to the we have the bathroom. It's pretty nice. You see me? There's me. All right, and then in here is my room. So we have a futon. Pretty much, it's like a bed. It goes down to a bed, and also can be a couch. So like during the day, I use this as a couch. Obviously, I have my little chair, and then at night I just pull it down to sleep. It is very, very small. It's not very comfortable, but it gets the job done. And then I have my fan, and then my closet right here. So that's it. I got a bathing suit. I have some clothes. Like I said, I'm only here for about 9 days total. 7 days. I only have like 6 outfits. We're gonna do a wash about 5 days in. So, all right, and then I have my little setup right here, which is pretty nice. Obviously, we still live in Jersey, New Jersey as well. So we're still like moving up here. So that's why it's like I brought some of my stuff down here. And plus, like I'm leaving 2 weeks for the military, so once we fully sell the house in New Jersey, and fully leave Jersey, then I'll obviously have like more stuff. I'll have like my gaming chair, my actually own bed. This is just like temporary because we're still in the process of moving. But this house, you know, we brought this house, so yeah. And then we have some stuff in there like AirPods, controller, cards, a Rubik's Cube, charger, some batteries, my face mask. As you guys know, in Florida, it is really bad, and I just don't want to. I mean, some places you actually need it, and I just don't want to get sick before. I haven't really like gone out too much, but I haven't really wore it. But I'm just trying not to get sick before I leave, and also get sunburned. So I had like my computer right here, was a laptop, monitor, and then TV. I bought the PlayStation down because I'm going to use that at my house in Jersey. For some of my games, I'm usually an Xbox guy, but I do have a PlayStation, so I bought this down. And then I had my Apple TV, which my dumb butt actually forgot the remote, so it makes it really hard to use, and can't really use it as much, like feature-wise, since it's not a remote. So I ordered a new remote from Amazon, which should be coming today. We actually have like a mailbox, which I never used to have because they used to actually mail it to my address, but now we actually have like a mailbox since we're in the community, and pretty much like they would have to, like we have the key for us, so we would just unlock it, and then we would, you know, grab our mail, which is a little annoying. I'm used to like stuff being mailed to my house. And you guys are wondering like, oh, you're moving, who cares? I don't know if you guys know this, but actually I haven't moved I only moved once in my whole life. So I've been living at the house in New Jersey for about 14 to 15 years. So I literally moved one time my whole life. And that was 15 years ago when I was 6 or 7 years old. So you gotta take that in perception. I just turned 22 like a week and a half ago. So this is crazy. We're still in Jersey, we're still in Florida. I'm just down here for a week and a half, and then I come back to New Jersey for 1 week, and then I'm gone to the military. All right, so then we have, which is really nice, that our washer and dryer did break in New Jersey, but in Florida, if I can actually open this, there you go. We have a washer and dryer, which is really nice, and we also have 2 cabinets up there, and we can, I guess, hang some stuff up there. That's really nice. And then in this closet over here, we have paper towels and just like an ice tray, some water bottles, and all that good stuff. And the kitchen's pretty small. I mean, it's not small, I would say. It's actually pretty nice. So it's a pretty nice kitchen, actually. We have a refrigerator, stuff, cabinets for like food and all that. We don't have too much food here. We're still in the process of moving, and it is dead, as in like there's not that much here because we actually ordered furniture, and furniture is really expensive. It's about like 2 to 3 grand, which is actually we got it pretty cheap. We got like a couple couches and maybe some beds, and so we got a couple stuff. And couches and beds, they are not cheap. Furniture and tables we got too, but tables are not cheap as well. That's my sister's clothes, her bag. All right, and then we have another futon here, which is where my sister and my mom slept. My dad's actually coming down this Friday. It's just us 3 for now. And I had to get everything set up. So the TV, I actually brought this from my house. I asked for TV, and I had that fire stick in there. And then just that there. We should just move. It was really here. We got a router. We have Wi-Fi now here. And this is one of the spare rooms. So this is actually my brother's room. Obviously, this was a girl's room before we moved in here. I guess the owner had, I think, he had a girl or 2 girls, I'm not sure. I don't know if he had any sons, but they were like little girls, obviously. And we have a mirror here, and then we have his closet. So it's really similar to my room, besides there's a big echo. I'm not sure it's just me, I can hear echo. And it's actually a little bigger than my room. My room is very small. This is a little bigger. So, let's see what goes in. Alright, so that's this room, which is my brother's room. And like I said, my sister doesn't get a room because she's moving down to Florida. What is this? Okay. Alright, so and then the last room we have is here, and this is where my parents are. Obviously the biggest room. They always get the biggest room. Even though, well, I guess they borrowed some money from me, but they did pay for it to say pay me back. So it's all good. Yeah, so they get the nice biggest room here. The owners did leave a TV here. I was messing around with it, trying it out. They somehow managed to bend this wire. As you can see, it's bended. And it was actually a lot worse. I just pretty much like fixed it where it would, like, I could plug it in, but it was like way worse bended. So I have no clue what your kids or whoever did to it, maybe a dog, I have no clue. A little dusty, and start to clean down. And so the TV turns on. I got to like plug in, I turn it on, it comes up like HDMI. So I go behind the TV and I plug the HDMI in. It just does not read it. I don't know why. So this TV is pretty much junk for the most part. I don't know why it's not reading HDMI. But overall, I don't care for the TV itself, but I really like where the TV's on. It's like it's on this thing. So like it's nice that it's already up for you. It's already like it's already built it. But I might try so I can put the one I have, that 32-inch TV on here, and take this TV and throw it away because it doesn't work. We have that's our fireplace. Yeah, I believe it's our fireplace right here. Pretty nice, like pairs. I guess they like pairs. So pretty spacey, big room. Also, which really nice about this room, they get their own closet. And unlike me and my brother's room, our closet is very small. And let's see how big their closet is. And also, what's really weird about this house is that some lights do not work. As you can see, it's very confusing. So if I go here, all right, let's see if it works. It works, okay? Let's press this. Okay. Now the hard part is how to turn it off. I guess that's how you turn it off. But what's really confusing is that if I go over here to the switches, right? I don't know what this one does on the left. I don't know what it does. I'll leave it on top. I don't know. And this one is what controls it. So if you put this off, it turns it off. So like, even if you try to turn it on, it doesn't work. And then like, this is very confusing because it goes slower, but then like, you're not sure if it's gonna stop or not. So I was like messing around with it for like 20 minutes trying to get to work. But I think it's stopping now. Yeah, it has to be stopping. So, and then you go, that's back on, and then you just control it. It's like a power thing for it. And then some actually, some switches has to control outlets, which is really weird. So what's really weird is I actually had, like, my outlet wasn't working, and I was like, why is this working? But then the outlet had to be turned on for the outlet to have power. Not all the outlets, just certain outlets. So one of them is in my room. One of them's also over there outlets. When the switch is over there, that switch right there, it actually controls the outlet below it as well. So if that's not on, it doesn't give a power to the outlet down there, so the outlet won't work. which I never knew about. My mom never decided to tell me that. Oh, she's a big Paris fan. There's a Paris in here. Oh la la, Paris. And they have their own bathroom. Like literally, they have their own bathroom connected, and a nicer bathroom connected to their freaking room. Like you get your own bathroom, you get your own freaking nice closet that's 3 times the size of mine and my brother's. Well, literally, you could add them together. It's still probably bigger. Nice, you know, you can actually sit down. I guess it was made for older people, the shower, because you just slide, you sit down. And yeah, pretty nice closet. Very, very, very big. I already have some of their stuff there, but there's like so much room here. Really nice. Okay. That's pretty much it. You do light off. And this is like the living room like I told you, and that's the kitchen. That's it. That's literally the whole house. It's not like too big. Like it's not like, obviously this is a big downgrade as in my house. Well, my house in New Jersey has 3 floors and a basement. This literally just has 1 floor. No upstairs, no downstairs, nothing. But you know, it's a new start, and we just want a new start. Mainly, that's why we got out of New Jersey. My mom always wanted to move to Florida for the last 15 years, and she could never move to Florida because of us being young and us being able to school there. And finally, we're older, and she now has her opportunity to go to Florida. So she didn't want to move here forever, guys. No lie about that. But I like Florida. I just don't like the COVID rates so high that I'm a Republican myself. Even though I got the vaccine, I believe in the vaccine. I believe that it helps you. Just by looking at stats. I mean, why would you not get it? It looks like it helps. But some people just... I understand, though. I know the government... There's a lot of conspiracy theories. The government want to control us, which I think are true. But I don't think this is them controlling us. I think this is like... I think the vaccine literally is for to help us. I think maybe in the future they might try to control us. But right now, the vaccine does help by stats. So just a lot of people here don't get the vaccine. So that's why we have like stricter... Like down here, more people wear masks than they do in New Jersey, because more people in New Jersey are vaccinated, and down here they're not. So there's more cases down in Florida as well. And yeah, so you have a Republican and a Democrat state, which I kind of find the benefits of both, because New Jersey is definitely safer because there's more people vaccinated, and even though there's less people that wear masks now because the more people are vaccinated, so the vaccination does help. But people are still scared to get it, especially Republicans are just scared. They're just not scared, but they don't trust it, which I get at the same time as well. But I don't know. I'd rather be vaccinated and not wear a mask than not be vaccinated and have to wear a mask. Because the whole point to me is being vaccinated, so I want to wear the mask, which I'm 100% okay with. I'll take 20 vaccinations if I have to. I just hate the mask. I hate how uncomfortable they are, and especially here in New Jersey, it's really hot. Like right now, it's like 95 degrees. I don't want to wear a mask in 95-degree weather. And I have really, really bad allergies. So this room was actually like a dust room. We actually cut in this room, so my allergies were kicking. So I sneezed at least like 50 times yesterday. But I was doing like up there was like it was literally like when we first turned the fan on, like blowing down smoke. So I like to clean that. And inside it was all like dust everywhere. It was disgusting. And we wiped down the floors. This house was pretty nasty, but we pretty much fixed it up. But we cleaned it up, and you know, we got rid of some stuff, added some stuff, and we're still working on it. We still have to move all stuff down there, but that's until we sell the house in New Jersey, which will most likely be after I leave for Army base training and my MLS. So once I get back after 6 months, and I'm not sure if we probably will be down here completely in Florida and not going to be in New Jersey anymore, but there's a chance we could still be in New Jersey. Who knows? Depends on when we sell the house. But yeah, that's the house tour, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.